is my birth certificate.
I can show up on Blood Tree TV. I go like him and take people for idiot. And think people are idiot. I born 1971, the 31st of December. And I changed 2 blue age paper already. So when I born down at Jubilee, me born. And I get one little beanie white piece so, with some red writing on it. And when time me say, me want to go foreign, me have to go over RGD to get the blue paper one, to go for my passport. So that I'm showing them that I am a full Jamaican. Me born here, me grow here, me bred here, me live here. I am not an English boy trying to come to taking over this beautiful island Jamaica. Thank you very much. That's right. Labor right, ugly. Me I say ugly man take care of woman. Ugly man, ugly labor right man take care of woman. You know what I mean? We don't kill woman. You know what I mean? We don't beat woman. We build woman. You know what I mean? And breed woman. You know what I mean? Baby born.
I feel like I use the bathroom. I'm never going to use the bathroom. And when I go use the bathroom, I'm looking at the toilet. Now I join there. I just flush him blood. Hey, what's going on? I said I flush Anjo. You want to see my beer now? I go down in the water. I said, yeah, your blood clot. You're going down to drunk crop. Yes, true. I said, when I look at Anjo, I see that. I said, Granny, I just show me a video if you come show you. Anjo was a wheel, I go down to the toilet. You know what I'm saying?
I will talk to my house on festival. But now I'm ambition, I big him up, see him.
Brother, listen, man.
I lock them up.
So don't told them stay.
In me going out and in me coming in. One thing that on my mind, Andrew Holness will win. And if God spare my life to see tomorrow morning, and me have the understanding, say me a go for it. Me now go sit down in them plane and sitting on the wing with me 2 foot in my swing and I say, Andrew, you are king. So he did me say, Uno say, Andrew fi win. From Kingston to Sparling,
Andrew fi win.
From Mobile to St. Catherine,
Andrew fi win.
From Tasman to Pine Hill,
Andrew fi win.
From Mobile back to Nigreland,
Andrew fi win.
One thing I like with Andrew Holness, him do the right thing. He make sure born in a Jamaica and not in a foreign. So Andrew for the fat, Andrew for the slim, and Andrew for the thick, and Andrew for the thin. If election run tomorrow, Andrew born up to win. Who me say for run Jamaica, Andrew the win.
Ooh,
Let me see that. Let me see that on the phone.
Shower to
We win! Raise up here! Politics next! We win! We win! We win! Come on, yes, sir!
You don't know so we win. You know the TV in your house. Yeah, man.
The X beside the bell.
on the election day.
How are you? You man on the TV. Eh? What is it?
Put the X beside the bell.
That is PNP man them for the brother, me and great brother.
I bell me say.
Shower, lay, right. What's it mean?
Do like this.
Comes in like a flood.
Oh.
Always wants to raise up his standards, and you can get hard.
Shower.
Be a labor right. Me did have to be a labor right. Look here. Then me could have never be a labor right. Jesus Christ, man. God would have seen me. God would have seen me.
Andrew, God shoot your blood clot. God shoot your blood. First, and now cause a bad word. Put you down cause a bad word. Andrew, first God make sure fall rain, to give Mark Golding the victory. And then both gunshot for your blood clot.
Anjo, God boss gunshot. You hear a gunshot there, boss? You better pack up. Anjo, God boss gunshot for your blood clot. You better pack up and leave. Don't make him bust in another one. Poor man. Just look for the poor man. I go drop all the man good. When you can't wicked, so watch us, so. The man that want to vote and never force it.
I see your Rasta.
Jamaica don't want nobody. And Jamaica have the stablest blood clot right now, economy, as a third world country. I want the man. Jamaica I don't know blood clot face on our either. Sometimes on our be a back on don't talk through our PNP. If you forget to talk the reality about the blood clot country. Talk about the reality of the country. You can't pay off the bill of blood clot. Talk about the reality of the country. We not talk about the Prime Minister walk a cut ribbon. The ribbon them way a cut a development of the country. A development of the country. Every blood clot here PNP is supposed to build 5 hours. Every term, every year. Them get who build the most house of Jamaica? No Bumbuckler Labour Right. Which Labour Right? No Labour Right. Did Andrew alone? That project alone build outdo every Prime Minister. That project alone outdo every Prime Minister with them do. At Jamaica. You can't tell me nothing. Jamaica. PNP build Jamaica. Where PNP build with Jamaica? Where PNP build Jamaica? Where PNP build Jamaica? Top wish nice. You can't tell man fuck your money. Nothing, go sit down over there, say here. Go over there, Sabat, go sit down. Come on, know the bomb buckle, come over here, so raise up back about. Nothing, go sit down over there, say here, man. Top wish blood clot nice. Top wish nice. My lord. Top wish nice. Top wish nice. Your blood clot. Come bet him and he could have bomb clot, bet me winning money. I saw me want to take on money. Them wrote them two and like idiot girl. Man, they don't know about shit. No man, no, I know where they are. Who are they them two? Who are they them two out shit? Cause when me left from up there, she know blood clot exists in it. I told man now, sit me down here.
Natty, I just spliff job to blood.
Blood clot like it. One, you know. That be nice. Your bum buck like your bum buck. Me I tell you if you tap chat out of your mouth. That is sit one place and go here, man.
We good, man. We don't know what we know already.
Alright, continue, man.